We get registered as foreigners when we arrived.
Well, only to their officers. There was no nationalism, nothing of that sort. Strict regiment. So when there was the Sepoy mutiny, they used a strict regiment. They were just profit. They were just even now, no Indian army. They will be only thinking of their regimental honor, not so much of an Indian honor. And if the Gurkhas misbehave, they can use Madras regiment. Which is what happened when this Punjab thing happened. That Gurdwara. Take over that shrine was
the Golden Temple.
Golden Temple. When that happened, it was Madras regiment. Sikh regiments were pretending to be on the other side. But then we can't use Sikh regiments, so bring in the Madras regiment. So Sundarji was the army chief. So he brought in the Madras regiment, which is why he was assassinated for doing this by the Sikhs later on, after retired. So the British had that thing. They knew that if the soldiers turn against them, if they have that nationalism in them, then they will not be able to hold.
Because I mean, most of the they kept some prisoners of war in Singapore and people like that.
Yeah, in Singapore, they were defeated. The British soldiers were defeated, and the defeated soldiers actually joined.
The British Indian soldiers were prisoners of war, and they were a chance for them to get out. That's a different story.
And only now these things are coming to be highlighted, because when this battle was happening, you have the element thing happening there. Europe, the defense of Europe was happening. So not much attention was paid here. But war is sort of now Roman name. This was one of the brutal battles, and you forgot about it because you had in your backyard there were other battles being fought.
Yeah, but this is important as the invasion of Normandy.
It was voted
the
ahead.
British Empire would have fallen.
So there was the voting was initial round was for the politics. And the last round they selected 10 battlefields. First Sikh war was there. This battle was there. Normandy was there. El Alamein was there. And then each of them were argued by one scholar, and arguing for